Welcome aboard! We're excited to have you here as we showcase a new addition to the market. Brought to you by La Paz Yachts, your experts in yacht ownership in Mexico. Join us as we take a closer look at Questor, a world-renowned Slocum 43 cutter, designed by the legendary Stan Huntingford and crafted by the esteemed Taiwanese shipyards. This heavily built, ocean-going sailboat is the epitome of both beauty and seaworthiness, a true gem for any discerning sailor. With her aft cockpit and raised cabin, featuring a rich, solid teak interior, Questor embodies the essence of an upscale blue water cruiser. She's designed for those who seek adventure on the open seas while enjoying the warmth and elegance of a classic design. Questor is a project boat with tremendous potential, ideal for the experienced sailor who can appreciate the exceptional build quality and timeless design that make her stand out. Located in La Paz, the gateway to the Sea of Cortez, Questor is perfectly positioned in one of the world's top cruising and sailing destinations. La Paz offers crystal clear waters, abundant marine life, and countless anchorages, making it an ideal home base for those seeking adventure and tranquility alike. In addition, La Paz is home to a wide range of marine services, making it the perfect spot to bring this excellent vessel back to life. Whether you're looking to restore or enhance Questor, you'll find everything you need right here in the port. Don't miss out on this incredible live-aboard opportunity in one of the most beautiful sailing destinations in the world. Contact us today to learn more about this unique vessel and take the first steps toward making Questor your own. Looking for the boat to sail into your dreams? Why not start your journey from the right spot, the Sea of Cortez? Sea of Cortez. Follow and subscribe to the La Paz Yachts YouTube channel for more information on this deal and many other boats we are proudly listing. As the experts in yacht ownership in Mexico, we're here to help you find the boat that fits your needs and help you sail yonder.